Financial stability gives you freedom and peace of mind. Here are 10 habits for financial health. Number 1. Budgeting. A budget provides a financial roadmap. Categorize your expenses and stick to your plan. Number 2. Saving and investing. Consistent saving fosters financial security, while investing grows wealth. Start small and gradually increase the amount. Number 3. Debt management. Limit debt to avoid financial strain. Pay off high-interest debts first and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Number 4. Regular financial checkups. Regular financial status review helps identify potential issues. Perform a monthly check of your accounts and investments. Number 5. Retirement planning. Early planning ensures a comfortable retirement. Start saving today, no matter your age. Number 6. Diversification of income. Multiple income streams provide financial stability. Consider side jobs, investments, or starting a small business. Number 7. Financial literacy. Understanding financial concepts empowers you to make informed decisions. Learn about personal finance, investment, and tax strategies. Number 8. Shopping smartly. Plan your shopping to avoid overspending. Consider quality over quantity. Number 9. Avoiding impulse buying. Resist instant gratification to save money. Always stick to your shopping list. Number 10. Tracking expenses. Keeping an eye on your spending helps maintain your budget. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet.